elementary school, middle school. Didn't take it seriously until I had a little breakdown. Them vibes, mental health in the black community was not it.
You practicing right now?
Yeah.
All right.
Word.
All right.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check.
So you're gonna do a story, and then they all get ice cream.
Poet, what you want to say? I saw you pull the book out on
And you get ice cream too.
Real.
But I'm making 2 more right now. I'm making 2 more right now.
That's what's up.
Yeah, I'm a poet.
I write poetry. I write stories. I like to be just creative in general, so I like to
It's like hard to be creative.
Alright, so I only have one rule for you.
Yeah.
And that's to make sure to say your name first.
Say my name first. Got it?
Alright.
Kid almost took the whole thing. I gotta say my name first.
Yes, as soon as the needle drops. Ready?
My name's Elena. I am a poet. I've been writing poetry since elementary school. Didn't take it seriously until middle school. I have 2 books out currently. I'm working on 2 more. I am out here in the front art 2022, writing and creating poetry with Lake Erie, and I'm also taking a whole bunch of Polaroids for memories because I want to be able to remember today and what I stand for.
She's taking Polaroids.